Hello, in this video I'll speak about the pronoun it when it's used as the subject of a sentence. Mike has a new job. It is hard but very interesting. In the second sentence, it is hard but very interesting, we use the pronoun it to replace the noun job. And the pronoun it plays the role of the subject. It takes the first position in the sentence. Such sentences when the pronoun it is used as the subject of a sentence and replaces a noun are quite usual, but let's take a look at the following example. He likes his job, but it's difficult for Mike to wake up early. In this sentence, we also see the pronoun it in the role of the subject. And actually, this structure is quite typical of the English language, in which we have first the pronoun it, followed by the verb be, then we have some adjective, with sometimes preposition for and the person whom we're speaking about, and at the end goes the to infinitive. It is difficult for Mike to wake up early. And first you may think that the pronoun it is not related to anything. It doesn't seem to be connected with any noun. But it's not true. The pronoun it in this sentence is related to the infinitive group, to wake up early. In theory, you can put the infinitive group in the first position and use it as the subject, but this type of sentence is very unusual. It's not common to say, to wake up early is difficult for Mike. People would rather say, it is difficult for Mike to wake up early. So, the pronoun it replaces the infinitive group. More examples. Repeat after me. It was easy for me to pass the exam. It will be interesting for us to travel there. So let's continue talking about Mike. It was 8 o'clock in the morning when he came to the office. We use sentences with the subject it when we talk about time. It was 8 a.m. when he came to the office. More examples. It was early when we hit the road. It is already late, you should go to bed. When Mike left the office, it was raining. We use the subject it when we speak about weather and weather conditions. It was raining. Please pay attention that in such sentences we use the words rain and snow as verbs. Repeat after me. It rains a lot here in summer. It didn't snow much last winter. It was quite windy yesterday. It takes Mike 1 hour to get home. We can also see the subject it in sentence structures which are quite fixed, like, for example, this sentence. It takes Mike 1 hour to get home. In this structure, first goes the subject it, followed by the verb take in the appropriate tense form. Then we specify who we're speaking about, in this case Mike. Then goes the time reference and the to infinitive structure. It takes Mike 1 hour to get home. More examples. It took me 2 hours to clean up the flat. It took us the whole day to prepare for the meeting.